The Soundcraft Si console has 4 studio quality Lexicon effects processors on board. These are very, very high quality effects and can be applied to any of the channels on the console. So let's have a look in a bit more detail as to how we can use those. First thing we need to do is to press the Lexicons button in the upper row, which brings the 4 Lexicon processors down into this section here, which was previously being used as our input EQ. What this allows us to do is to see a short form version of each of the Lexicon processors, Lexicon 1, 2, 3 and 4, and they show the basic parameters that we need for doing most of the work that we're going to do. So for example, if we look at this reverb here, which is Lexicon 2, I have 3 controls: pre-delay, reverb time and a high cut filter. But what I can do, if I want to get more advanced with the control of the Lexicon, I can hit the expand button on Lexicon 2. I can now take over all 12 encoders and these screens to control that single Lexicon processor. Once I've done what I need to do, I can hit the close button and close it back to this compressed view where I have all 4 processors there in front of me. When I select the Lexicon button in the upper row section, it also brings up the 4 Lexicon processors up onto the screen over here. I can then scroll down to the one that I want to use, press the adjust wheel, and I get a drop-down menu of all of the available effects. So for this example, I'm going to choose number 7, a drum plate. So I can now see that for Lexicon number 4, the drum plate is now selected. Okay, so now we can see that Lexicon 4 has been set up to be a drum plate, so we can add some reverb to the snare drum. So let's choose the snare drum and send some signal to the reverb and hear the result.